ZANU-PF supporter Intivocawu Murakashi, Tanaka Gumbo, sparked a wave of criticism online after posting a bold and highly exaggerated praise of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, claiming he is the only leader in the world developing a country without external assistance. Sarabina Masho Obda Pangwa Ine, Anonka Kunz Aho, a popular activist from ZANU-PF, Obda Chite, the only leader in the world developing own country without foreign aid is Mnangagwa. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV na mnao zirimu mdanyi kwa mchinzi taking to his official Facebook page on Friday Gumbo Road. President Emmerson Mnangagwa, the only leader in the world to develop a nation using its own resources since 2018. The Second Republic has successfully implemented 9,706 projects across Zimbabwe, making President Emmerson Mnangagwa the only president globally to achieve such extensive national development without relying on external aid. His remarkable leadership has led many to rally for his tenure to be extended until 2030. The post, widely circulated across social media platforms, has been met with ridicule by critics who say it reflects the dangerous levels of sycophants within the ZANU-PF's support base. Gumbo's claims comes at a time when Zimbabwe continues to face deep economic challenges, including a weakening local currency, high unemployment, and a reliance on donor support in key sectors such as health and food security. Political analysts say such statements are part of a broader strategy within ZANU-PF to portray President Emmerson Mnangagwa as a visionary leader ahead of the potential 2028 or extended 2030 leadership ambition. Despite the backlash, Gombo's post remains online, reflecting what many see as growing cult-like glorification of the presidency within ruling party circles. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ino anachikriticiza mashoko otagwa naGombo achionekwa kunzi aiwa dzingori propaganda dzinoda kupusha kuti mutungamiriri wenyika again support ahead of the 2028 polls or the 2030 plan. Ina comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.